My 63 years old mom always says true beauty starts in the kitchen. Today we're
Ew,
making
what
the
the
viral
hell is
Korean rice
that?
mask. Cook the rice until it reaches this creamy porridge-like consistency. Put the cooked rice into a blender, blend until silky smooth, and add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply for 15 minutes and rinse off to get that glow.
Look, I'm matching the mom and the daughter.
That's pretty good.
I'm also low-key terrified about the amount of carbs in this thing, so hopefully I don't absorb any of it. So this took quite a long time to make, so hopefully it works. And if it works, this is quite the hack, because facials can be pretty expensive. And I mean, this is just white rice, so this is very cheap. A little rice to wake up looking nice.
Put the mask on, bro. Come on.
True beauty starts in the kitchen, a Korean mom once said. Thankfully, it's not a black bean mask that I have to apply, because I don't want to risk getting canceled to look good, you know? Ooh. My skin's already dancing a little bit.
White face
I think my skin's happy with all the carbs and the sugar from the honey. Why did their face mask just look so much better than mine? What the heck? The mask is now applied, and I look like I got hit with a Guinness record-setting money shot. If that's something that they track, I don't know. But we're supposed to leave the mask on for 15 minutes for a brighter and even skin tone.
Crazy.
So let's get it. If this mask is teaching me anything, it's that I need to get a freaking tan, man.
Keep this off.
I'm blending into this thing way more than I'd like to, because I don't know where the mask ends and my natural skin tone starts. It's a tasty mask, though.
Ew, this is so cringe.
So I just sat there patiently waiting, feeling my pores getting carb loaded, which is maybe why my skin could be brighter. They're happy.
All right, let's see if this works. So what's supposed to happen now?
All right, so let's rinse this mask off and see if it made a difference. Despite a ton of rice in my hair right now, looking at the before and after, there is a massive difference in my skin. It looks smoother, it looks healthier, it looks more vibrant. It just looks all around.
Hey, I might need to try. I might need to try that. Shoot, get some of this.
So Korean rice mask.
Like
I approve of this hack.